Hello, how you doing? Just going to do some lamb chops today, just with a few different spices, and maybe some of you do. Just really, really delicious, nice, quick, easy video. Welcome back to How to Cook Read. So we've got here half a cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then a teaspoon each of all of these guys: salt and pepper, thyme, chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. What we're going to do is get all of that into a bowl and give it a little mix. That's our marination for our lovely lamb chops. So there's the olive oil, there's the lemon juice or lime juice, there's the garlic, and that goes, and then a teaspoon each: thyme, turmeric, salt and pepper, that turmeric didn't really come out, sorry about that, the chili powder, the coriander powder, and the cumin. We're going to give that a little mix. If you wanted, you can maybe get in there maybe a tablespoon of green cardamom powder or black lime powder. I'm going with this today. Beautiful. So there's my lamb chops. I've got like a dozen of those. Very simply, I'm going to get them into a large mixing bowl and we're going to pour over the marination. Okay, mixing bowl, marination, over it goes. Now I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in with my hand and give that a nice little mix. Then we're going to pop these in the refrigerator. If you put them in overnight, fabulous, but you want to do it for at least a couple of hours. Okay, so good morning, or the next day for me. Look, I've got a pan here, a dry pan, skillet or something like that. I left these overnight. Simply we're going to drop them in to a dry pan and we're going to cook them. I mean, they're quite thin, these ones, for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll be turning them often. Okay, so I'm super happy where they are. Really tasty and juicy, so I'm going to get these out. I've got a few more to do. Job done. Really, really, really simple and delicious. Okay, there you go. Look, really simple. Just give that a try. It'll work out wonders for you. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.